Now we will discuss about hormones in animals. Now hormones in animals are the chemicals which are secreted by endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. They do not have any ducts. These endocrine glands, they pour their secretions. That secretions or chemicals are known as hormones. Hormones are directly secreted into the blood and then they reach the target organ. So hormones in animals are secreted by endocrine glands, and this is an endocrine system which is also a system of control and coordination. Other system of control and coordination we have already learned, that is the nervous system, reflex section and the brain. But another system of control and coordination in animals is the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are the ductless glands which pour the secretions directly into the blood, and that secretions are known as hormones, and then that hormones they reach the target organ. We will discuss each hormone in animals one by one, and its location, its function. So I'll write in the table form the gland or an endocrine gland, hormone secreted by it, its location, and then its function. So first let us take adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. Adrenal gland, the hormone secreted by adrenal gland is adrenaline. And the location of this adrenal gland is above the kidneys. Above both the kidneys, adrenal gland is situated. Now what is the function? And when this adrenal gland secretes adrenaline? Adrenaline is secreted during the scary situations, and it helps us to deal with those scary situations. The function is to deal with scary situations. When adrenaline is secreted, when we are afraid of something, the adrenaline is secreted, and that adrenaline will reach the target organ, and the target organ is the heart. So what will be the effects of this secretion? The heartbeat will increase, the breathing rate will increase, the blood is reduced to skeletal muscles, so there will be shivering in the legs, and there will also be goosebumps. These all will help us to deal with that scary situation. You must have seen when a dog is chasing a cat, the cat has two things to do. Either it will run away or it will fight against the dog. So at that time again adrenaline is secreted, and that will help the cat to deal with the situation. So this is the main function of adrenaline hormone, to deal with the scary situations. Then second is the thyroid gland. Number 2, thyroid gland. It secretes hormone thyroxine. And this thyroid gland is located in the neck region, or in the throat, you can say. And what is the function of thyroid gland now? This thyroid gland or thyroxine, its hormone is thyroxine, that is the chemical. This chemical, it helps in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. This is the main function of thyroxine. Now, if there is deficiency of thyroxine, that means the thyroid gland is not working properly. There will be deficiency of thyroxine, and that deficiency of thyroxine will cause a disease which is called goiter. The deficiency will cause goiter, and what are the effects of this goiter? That there will be swelling in the neck. Now what we have to do to avoid this goiter, we have to use iodized salt in our diet. We have to use iodized salt to prevent goiter. Then the third is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, it secretes growth hormone. And that location of pituitary gland is in the brain. Now what is the function of this growth hormone? Pituitary secretes growth hormone which regulates the growth of our body. Regulates the growth. If the growth hormone is secreted in more amount, then it will lead to gigantism. And if it is secreted in less amount, then it will cause dwarfism. So, pituitary, it secretes growth hormone, and growth hormone should be secreted in proper amount only for proper growth of the body, because it regulates the growth. If it is secreted in more amount, then also it is a problem, and less amount, then also it is a problem. If it is secreted in more amount, it causes gigantism. The person will become like a giant, more growth will be there. And if it is secreted in less amount, then it causes dwarfism, means the person will become dwarfs or they will look very small. Then the next one is pancreas. Pancreas secretes hormone insulin. And insulin, this pancreas is located below the stomach. Below stomach. And what is the main function of insulin? That insulin, it regulates the blood sugar level. Regulates blood sugar. That means if more sugar is there in the blood, insulin will be secreted in more amount, and so the blood sugar level will be reduced. So main function of insulin is to regulate the blood sugar in our body. And if there is deficiency of insulin, then it will cause diabetes. So insulin should be secreted in proper amount in our body. And the patients who are suffering from diabetes, they always take the injections of insulin to maintain the blood sugar level. Then fifth and sixth are fifth one is ovary and sixth one is testis. Ovary in females, testis in males. The hormone secreted by ovary is estrogen, and by testis is testosterone. The location of both is below the abdomen. And the function of both, it helps in the development of secondary sexual characters. That estrogen helps in the development of secondary sexual characters in females, and testosterone in males. So development of secondary sexual characters in males and females. Estrogen in females and testosterone in males. So these are the 6 hormones in animals which help in control and coordination in the animals.